ADA family, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark. Welcome into the crypto mark. Let's talk some Cardano, right? There's blood in the water. I see the sharks swimming. Everybody is selling. Everybody's exiting crypto. I want to share with you guys what Cardano did in April. We're going to look ahead into May, and I'm going to give you guys my outlook for my Cardano holdings as we move forward in this video. Okay, so make sure you guys all stick around to the end. As always, though, please subscribe down below. If you watch this video and you find value, I thank you if you do subscribe down below. Okay, and also I want to know what you guys are thinking, how you guys are viewing your Cardano holdings, and even the people out there that I get in every single of my videos within Cardano that watch every single Cardano video of mine, and all they have to say is that Cardano is going to zero. I appreciate you guys as well. All right, but let's get into it. I want to share with you guys what exactly is happening and looking at this price forecasts and why Cardano could fall to 30 cents in May 2024. That's coming out from the Crypto Basic. Let's take a dive into the chart. This is brought to you by Margex. We can look into this pattern, right, just below the moving average. And it's kind of funny, though, if we talk about the crypto bubbles, I mean, you can see crypto is down on the day, but Cardano is one of the only cryptos up 1.7%. So very interesting. But here we are trading hands at the 41 cents or 43.9 for Cardano, depending on where you're seeing it. But we are just a tick up on the day. But this is something where we look into this pattern. Cardano is becoming oversold, just like the rest of crypto. People are liquidating. They're becoming cash strong. There's a lot of fear in the market, okay? And as always, guys, this is not financial advice. Just sharing with you guys my opinions, as always, within crypto and what I'm doing with my personal holdings, okay? But we look further into Cardano, and you can see what I'm talking about. We are at 43 cents, and this is something where we look into this month of May and why Cardano could fall to 30 cents. Now, this isn't FUD. I have not sold a Cardano an ADA, for that matter, in years. Okay, that's just the nuts and bolts of it. So I have no reason to FUD Cardano. You guys all know how I feel about it. But this is where we've seen April 35% in losses. All right, there was kind of a mixed demand as we got that dud of a post Bitcoin halving as expected. All right, but this is where there's a lot of people that just don't know what Cardano's doing. Okay. And that's kind of the issue right now. It's not the sexy play in crypto. It's not the 10x meme coin. It's not what everybody wants to own. Okay, I mean, for that matter, for people are calling it a zombie chain, a ghost chain, what have you. It doesn't matter. But I can guarantee you this though. There will be better days ahead for Cardano. We're going to see a lot of the optimism amongst the Ouroboros Genesis rollout. And this is something where we've seen Cardano hit its lowest price since April 13th. All right. More so, we're looking at 80 million in withdrawals in the last 60 days. Okay, so the TVL is decreasing. We look into some of the data, down $119 million. Okay, or I'm sorry, 119 million ADA over the last 60 days. And this is where the bears continue to really show their teeth. All right. 30 cents for Cardano. A lot of people are looking for ADA to drop, and that's something where you look in the short term, people maybe are shorting Cardano. They're shorting crypto. There's probably a lot of people out there that are being very successful doing that. I'm just playing the long game for me and my holdings. That's kind of how I view it. But I wanted to share with you guys what's happening because right now this 40 cent support level is what is next in line for ADA. That's where if we bust through that, then that's when people are going to start panicking, and it's predicted that Cardano could fall to 30 cents. So we're looking at a lot of these metrics from in and out of the money. It's a metric that I use, and you can see whenever there's more red numbers, that shows that we're losing this tug of war, if you will, between buyers and sellers, and a lot of people are into the red. So we're looking at that as a big indicator. All right. Also, this is something where the level for me is 36 cents if we bounce off of that. But I think we're going to kind of hang tight right here. We'll see what happens. And like I said, I haven't sold ADA, so it doesn't really affect me. Like I said, I'm playing the long game. So it's kind of where I'm at within this whole Cardano mess and selling that we're seeing across the board. Okay. And it's kind of crazy though. If we talk about it, if you bought Cardano back here at 22 cents, right? We were scooping it up, dollar cost averaging, under a quarter. You can go watch my videos where I was basically telling you guys, for me, Cardano or a quarter, I'd rather have one ADA, all right? And this is where you can look at it. You're still up almost 100% on that investment from back then when we were making those videos, okay? So yes, Cardano's failing. Yes, blah, blah, blah. But I challenge you to go find another asset in traditional finance. We can do it in crypto, but still, at this bottom level, this was 100x or 100% return from those levels just a brief time ago, all right? So hang tight. It's going to be one of those things, guys, where it is not a sprint for me. It is a marathon with Cardano, all right? And I do want to tell you guys about today's channel sponsor. It's Margex, right? So if you trade on leverage, make sure you click my link down below, sign up, get a bonus for signing up, and you can claim up to a $10,000 bonus using my link down below and get started trading with Margex up to 100x leverage. It's something where a lot of traders have been having success, especially within the copy trading aspect of Margex. You can copy every single one of the traders on these leaderboards, and you can see their ROE and how many followers follow their copy trading, and it's minimal effort, right? But as always, guys, make sure Margex is right for you. Do your due diligence and all of your homework and research before signing up. And if you want to get started with Margex, link down below. Get started today. So that's what I got for you guys. I wanted to talk a little ADA for you guys in this video. I hope you all are doing well. Let's get some momentum going. I think this is one where we're going to see a lot of volatility, a lot of fear in the market as we move forward into 2024. Specifically in Q2 and Q3, that's historically what we've had. But Bitcoin in the next pump for me, we're looking at a 14, 16-month window from here, not so much right now in the short term. So thanks all for watching. Appreciate you guys. Remember to subscribe on your way out, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.